Imagine stepping onto an aircraft so large that its wings actually fold at the airport, yet once airborne, those same wings stretch out to deliver incredible aerodynamic efficiency. This is the idea behind the Boeing 777X, a new generation of wide-body aircraft designed to combine the proven strengths of the Boeing 777 family with advanced technology inspired by the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The 777X family includes the 777-8 and 777-9, with the 777-9 positioned as the first passenger model to enter service. Boeing describes the 777-9 as an aircraft designed for improved efficiency, lower emissions, reduced noise, and a more spacious passenger experience. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sheer size of the 777-9. At approximately 76.7 meters long, or 251 feet 9 inches, it is an enormous aircraft. Boeing lists a typical two-class capacity of around 414 passengers, while its broader published configuration range reaches approximately 375 to 450 seats depending on airline layout. That means this aircraft is built for major international routes where airlines need to move hundreds of passengers across continents while maintaining premium comfort and operational efficiency. But the most fascinating feature is not the length. It is the wings. The 777X uses a new carbon fiber composite wing with an extended span of approximately 71.8 meters. On the ground, however, the wingtips fold upward, reducing the span to approximately 64.8 meters. In simple terms, Boeing has created a very long and efficient wing that can become narrower when the aircraft is parked or taxiing. This allows the 777X to benefit from the aerodynamic advantages of a large wingspan in flight while maintaining compatibility with airport infrastructure designed around existing large wide-body aircraft. Why does a longer wing matter? Think about a glider. Its long, slender wings allow it to remain in the air efficiently. The 777X applies the same basic aerodynamic principle on a much larger scale. The advanced composite wing is designed to generate efficient lift while reducing drag. Boeing says the 777X has about 5% better aerodynamics than the Airbus A350-1000, although real-world airline performance will depend on configuration, route, payload, weather, and other operating factors. Powering this giant aircraft is the GE9X engine from GE Aerospace. The engine is one of the defining technologies of the 777X. Boeing's airport planning information lists a fan diameter of approximately 134 inches and a Boeing equivalent thrust rating of about 105,000 pounds for the GE9X105B1A. Despite its enormous size, the engine is designed around improved fuel efficiency and lower noise compared with previous generation powerplants. Boeing states that the GE9X offers about 10% lower specific fuel consumption than the GE90-115B. That combination of huge composite wings and advanced engines is where the 777X's efficiency story becomes interesting. Boeing claims the 777X family is designed for 20% lower fuel use and emissions and a 40% smaller noise footprint compared with the aircraft it is intended to replace. Boeing also claims operating costs can be about 10% lower than competing aircraft, although these are manufacturer targets and comparisons rather than guarantees for every airline or mission. Performance is another major strength. Boeing currently lists the 777-9 with a range of up to approximately 8,000 nautical miles, or 14,820 kilometers. The 777-8 is designed for even greater range, with Boeing listing up to approximately 9,500 nautical miles, or 17,590 kilometers. That gives the 777X family the potential to connect distant cities with fewer or no stops, making it particularly attractive for long-haul international operations. The 777-9 also has a maximum takeoff weight listed at approximately 351,530 kilograms, or 775,000 pounds. Those numbers tell us something important. This is not simply a passenger jet that happens to be large. It is an aircraft engineered around enormous structural loads, long-range fuel requirements, substantial passenger capacity, and significant cargo capability. Beneath the passenger cabin is a large lower-deck cargo area capable of carrying containers and other freight, giving airlines another source of revenue on long-distance routes. Now let's move inside. Boeing has taken lessons from the 787 Dreamliner and applied them to the 777X cabin. The company highlights larger windows, bigger overhead bins, immersive LED lighting, a quieter cabin environment, improved humidity, cleaner air, and a lower cabin altitude. These features may sound like small details individually, but on a 12 or 15-hour international flight, they can have a major effect on how passengers feel when they finally reach their destination. The cabin is also designed to feel spacious. Boeing says the 777X cabin can be up to 40 centimeters wider than the A350, depending on the comparison and configuration. That additional space gives airlines more flexibility when designing business-class suites, premium cabins, or high-density economy seating. For passengers, it can translate into more room to move around and a less cramped feeling, particularly in premium configurations. The flight deck also receives a major technological upgrade. The 777X incorporates touchscreen displays and technologies developed from the 787, while maintaining commonality with existing Boeing wide-body aircraft. This is important for airlines because introducing a completely new aircraft can require extensive pilot training and operational changes. Boeing's approach is to introduce advanced technology while preserving familiarity where possible. Another interesting feature is the aircraft's handling technology. The 777X incorporates advanced flight controls and high-lift systems, while the landing gear includes main gear axle steering designed to reduce tire scrubbing and make maneuvering easier in tight airport environments. These systems may not be visible to passengers, but they can make a substantial difference during everyday airline operations. From the outside, the 777X has a distinctive appearance. The nose is smoothly shaped, the fuselage is long and powerful, and the massive engines dominate the underside of the wings. The composite wings give it a sleek, modern look, while the folding tips provide one of the most recognizable features of the entire aircraft. Watching those wingtips fold after landing is a reminder that the 777X was designed around a very specific challenge: how do you build an extremely efficient large aircraft without making it impractical for today's airports? And that may be the 777X's biggest selling point. It is not trying to reinvent commercial aviation from scratch. Instead, Boeing has taken the successful 777 concept and combined it with new wings, new engines, advanced flight deck technology, and a redesigned passenger environment. Boeing says the aircraft builds on the reliability and operational heritage of the 777 while incorporating technologies from the 787. Of course, an aircraft this ambitious also faces challenges. The 777X program has experienced a lengthy development and certification process, and the aircraft has had to undergo extensive testing before entering airline service. The FAA describes aircraft certification as a rigorous multi-phase process covering design, construction, testing, certification, and production. So while the 777X has already completed flight testing and accumulated substantial development experience, final certification and entry into service remain important milestones. Ultimately, the Boeing 777X represents a fascinating evolution of the large twin-engine airliner. It combines the scale of a traditional flagship wide-body with the efficiency of modern composite structures and next-generation engines. The 777-9 is roughly 76